Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy. Hello everyone, and welcome to this quick guide on how to stake crypto on Uphold. If you're looking for a way to grow your digital assets, staking might be just what you need. In this video, we'll break down exactly what crypto staking involves, why it's a smart move for many investors, and walk you through the straightforward process of getting started on the Uphold platform. By the end, you'll know how to begin earning passive income with your cryptocurrency. So let's dive in. So, what exactly is crypto staking? Essentially, it's a process where you lock up a portion of your cryptocurrency to help validate transactions and secure a blockchain network. Think of it like putting money in a savings account that earns interest, but with crypto. By holding and committing your coins, you're contributing to the stability and functionality of the network. In exchange for your contribution, the network rewards you with additional coins over time, offering a fantastic opportunity to increase your crypto portfolio passively. Before you can start staking, there are a couple of crucial preparatory steps on Uphold. Make sure your Uphold account is fully set up and verified. This includes completing any Know Your Customer or KYC requirements. Once verified, you'll need to have the actual cryptocurrencies you want to stake in your Uphold wallet. Not all cryptocurrencies are stakeable, so specifically look for assets that Uphold supports for staking, such as Ethereum or Polkadot. You can either transfer these assets into your Uphold account or purchase them directly on the platform. Now, for the exciting part, the actual staking. Once you have your eligible crypto in your Uphold wallet, the process is quite straightforward. Simply navigate to the specific asset you want to stake within your Uphold portfolio. You should then see a prominent Stake or Earn option available for that cryptocurrency. Click on it, and Uphold will guide you through the remaining steps. You'll typically need to confirm the amount you wish to stake, review the terms, and then confirm to initiate the staking process. It's designed to be very user-friendly. Congratulations! You've successfully staked your crypto on Uphold. So, when do the rewards start rolling in? Your staking rewards are usually distributed at regular intervals, which could be weekly or monthly, directly into your Uphold account. It's important to understand that staked assets might have a lockup period, meaning you can't immediately sell or withdraw them. There might also be an unstaking period. Always take a moment to review Uphold's terms and conditions for each specific asset you stake. This will give you clarity on the reward percentages, any fees, and the unstaking process, ensuring you're fully informed. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.